Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you the pattern of Irish crochet lace applique. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Then make a half double crochet in 6 chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Skip 2 chains, then make a double crochet in 3rd chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in 3rd chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Skip 2 chains and make a double crochet in 3rd chain. One, two, three, 4 spaces. And the last time, don't chain 3. Instead of that, make a slip stitch in 1st chain. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. Chain 1, turn your work. Make a single crochet in double crochet. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Again, make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 3 single crochets in next space. Make a single crochet in half double crochet. Now make 2 single crochets in last space. Chain 1, turn your work. Make a half double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches. This is my 1 and 2. Make 9 triple crochet in next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Make a half double crochet in next stitch, and make a single crochet in this chain. Make a slip stitch in last space, chain 1, turn your work. Make a half double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 1, make 10 triple crochets in next 10 stitches, chain 1, make a triple crochet, chain 1 in next 10 stitches, make a triple crochet, chain 1 in next 10 stitches, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times. Make a triple crochet, chain 1. Make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 1. Make a double crochet in next stitch again and chain 1. Make a half double crochet in next stitch and chain 1. Make a single crochet in next stitch then make a slip stitch in last space, chain 1. Now I'm going to crochet reverse single crochet in each space, make a reverse single crochet in each space, make a reverse single crochet in each space. I love Irish Crochet leaf appliques. You can use Irish leaves in your lace dresses. It's very attractive and beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved this video. You can absolutely share the link with your friends. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. I upload new videos every week. If you like my video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Have a nice one. Bye guys. Bye.